besties, welcome back to the channel and welcome to another video. If you're new here and you're seeing my face for the first time, you're welcome back to my channel. And if you're an OG, welcome back to the channel, you guys. So I promised you guys that towards the end of this hairstyle, I am going to find a way to make it as cute as possible, okay? Because right now you're seeing what we are looking like, right? My mini brace is currently week 4. We are in week 4, and we are like halfway gone in week 4. By the time you're watching this video, we are probably halfway gone in week 4, or we are completely done with week 4. Okay, I will tell you guys in the comment section. I don't know when I'm going to upload this video, but yeah, I'm going to tell you guys. But we are currently in week 4 right now, and obviously you guys, the hair is old now. For my girlies that normally tell me that, oh no, we go to work, I go to work, I have a 9 to 5 and I can't carry my mini braids like this to work. I completely understand you guys, and that is the reason why I am doing this video, because I have something for you guys. Okay, so in today's video we are going to do miracle knots, okay, but we're not doing the miracle knots for the entire hair. So I'll be doing miracle knots with a half wig. I have been so excited for this hairstyle. So the way this hairstyle is going to go is that for the front parts, so I'm going to show you guys how this hairstyle is going to go, and what the only thing you need for this is to get yourself a half wig. If you already have a half wig, good for you. And then just get yourself the miracle knot crochet. Let me keep this here, I'll come back to this later. So I have like 2 bundles of the crochet extensions here, just 2 bundles, and I think I have about 40 pieces of crochet here. This is the Burmese coil in 20 inches. The wig is 20 inches, so this is 20 inches. That's what I decided to use. And you guys, this hairstyle is going to take you less than 2 hours to just do, depending on how fast you are. I trust myself, I am very fast, and I'm sure I'll be done in 1 hour. So I'm going to show you guys how I installed this. So if this is something you are interested in, and if you want to see the final look, then keep watching. Okay, so let's just go ahead and quickly start. This is from Elfin Hair. This is the half wig. This is the half wig, the Burmese coily. For the January one, I used the kinky coily, but for this one I am using the Burmese coily hair. This is what it looks like. This is 20 inches. I washed it and I air dried it. Okay, and it comes with combs and a drawstring. This is the first comb, then there are 2 smaller combs by the side, and then there is a drawstring to keep it super secure, just in case you need to throw hands on the road. Nobody's going to drag your hair out. Okay, don't worry about that. So to start this hairstyle, I've sectioned my hair. This is the one we're going to leave at the back, and this hairstyle is so good because you can just go to work, wear your half wig. When you come back home, you can just pull out the half wig and still have time to allow breeze, to allow air to touch your scalp. If you are like me that does not like heavy hairstyles, this is going to last you longer. You are going to be protecting your hair, you're still going to carry your mini braids, and at the same time you're still rocking that beautiful look to work. So I ended up leaving 9 braids each on each side. This is 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. I left 3 in front, so I left the same amount here on the side as well. So now you can just wear this will also allow you to extend your mini braids for a longer time without having to stress. And then when you need to wash your hair, you can still wash the hair and dry it. And this front part that I'll be adding here, it's also washable as well. You can wash this extension and dry it as well. Guys, I started braiding so I can get the hang of what I am doing. It's still the same old pattern that I normally braid with. I just started right now, and I have done 1, 2, 3. I have done 4 already. This is why I told you guys you can literally do this in 1 hour or less than 1 hour, depending on how fast you are. So I'm going to quickly show you guys how I installed the braids. Now there is a big debate around a miracle knot and ripping out your hair, so I'm going to show you guys my foolproof method. I have done this miracle knot about 3 times. This is the 4th time I am doing it this year, and my hair did not break off. I didn't snap my hair. My hair did not have any issue at all while taking it down. And I'm going to show you guys the method that I use. So as we all already know, this is how it comes. It has this thread which is quite smaller now. I love the fact that the companies are now making it small compared to how big it was when the whole miracle nut started buzzing around. So when I take this, I take my already braided hair. Mind you, my hair is braided down to the tip. Okay, I'm not going to unbraid at all. I'm just going to take this, place this in between. I don't know if you guys can see me. I hope it's not too blurry. This one is going to be the third braid. So I'm going to braid down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When I braid down up to 8 to 10, I'm just going to remove. Okay, let me bring it up to 10. So 9 and 10. So I'll bring it down by 10. I'm going to take a tiny. So now I'm going to take just a little bit of hair, just a tiny piece of hair from one side, just something as small as this, and then I'm going to take it over to the side that has my hair. I don't know if you guys understand what I am doing. And then I'm going to continue braiding down. Now the reason why I'm adding that third piece is for support. It is going to support the hair. By the time I reach the end of my hair, I will just braid down like 3 more times, and that is it. It's not going to unravel or anything. So let me just braid down and show you guys what I'm talking about. So guys, this is what I'm saying. As you can see, it's not going anywhere. It's just going to stay like this. So I'm just going to quickly braid more, and then I'll come back to continue this video. Is full, like it is completely full, and I love it. I don't know if you guys can see me clearly, but this is what we are looking like. I am super happy and excited. If you want this exact look for yourself, you guys go to the description box and click on the link to get this. You get this exact look. And yeah, let me know what you guys think about this. I'm very sure I will rock this hairstyle for about a week or two. So yeah, I'm loving it so much. And what I was saying about when you go to work and come back, if you go to work and come back, it's quite easy to just remove the hairstyle. You just free the drawstring and just bring out the comb, you guys. Just bring it out from all sides. Our wig is out. And then you can just take this and wrap it around. You can just wrap this around like this and pin it somewhere in front, and just wear your net or your bonnet and go to bed. And when you wake up in the morning, the only thing you have to do is to take your half wig and fix it back. Tell me this is not girl max. Okay, I've rambled too much. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it as much as I did. I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay,